surface vessels: superior vena cava, inferior vena cava, the pulmonary trunk, aorta, the pulmonary veins, 1, 2, 3, 4, the external anatomy, base, apex, right auricle, left auricle, coronary sulcus, the anterior interventricular sulcus, posterior interventricular sulcus, the internal anatomy. I'm going to flip it to the front of the heart. The right atrium, tricuspid valve, right ventricle, left atrium, bicuspid valve, left ventricle, interventricular septum, chordae tendineae, papillary muscle, epicardium, myocardium, endocardium.